Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. I am here with my design team package from Kokorosa Studio, and I will leave their link down below, and there's also a coupon code for you all that if you would like to save on your next order from them, I would truly appreciate it. So let me show you exactly what I got, and no shocker or no surprise here. It's Halloween, and that's what we're going to be doing for a long time, guys. So let's see what I got. This first die, I have kind of been eyeballing this die for a while, and I truly think that it would come in handy. Not only, well, come on, hands. Oh, there it is. Not only for Halloween, but even for Christmas starry nights. This is called the Moon Night Clouds, and it's got the moon and it's got all of these clouds. I'm telling you, I think that you could use this for any season. So look how pretty that is. And you can do like on a card, and it does like the clouds, and then you've got your crescent moon there. So there is the first one. And this second one is called the Cobweb Pumpkin Lantern Border Die. And I can already tell you what I'm going to do with it. I truly think that I'm going to make ATCs out of these. It's probably, let's see how big it is. It's probably too big for an ATC, but yeah, it is, darn it. It is 3, let's see. It's a little bit bigger than 3. 3 1/8 by 3 7/8. That is a good size die. Look how cute this is. It's got the spider, the cobwebs, the bat, and then you've got your little pumpkins down here. That is adorable. Can't wait to play with that one. So there's this one. And this one right here is called the Bat's Rectangular Border dies, and there's actually 2 dies if I'm not mistaken in here. So let's get these out. Wow, look how pretty these are. Yep, and they do come apart. So there's 2 dies with this one, and the largest one is 3 7/8 by almost 5 1/2, and then the one down size is 3 1/8 by almost 4 1/2. So those would be perfect for cards. Perfect for cards. So there's that die. Okay, and this one is so stinking cute. This is called the Halloween Bow Knot die. And it's like a bat, and it's got a little skull and everything. So I'm super excited to play with this one. Super excited. So let's get this one open. Super cute. So you get, oh, look at that. It looks like drips. There's the bat wings. There's the bow, or part of the bow there, part of the bow there, and then there's the little skull. Look how stinking cute that is. Can't wait to play with that one. And this one right here is called the Halloween Word and Elements die. Let's look at this one. Oh, how stinking cute is that? And I think the Halloween, I bet you can take that apart. And look how cute this is. Mercy, this is a good size die. This one is almost, let's see, 4 5/8 wide. And from the little spider, it's right at, I would say, 3 5/8 tall. So look how cute that is. You get the word Halloween, and there's a cat, bat, a ghost, another cat, a skull, a pumpkin, a spider web, and a spider, and some more little googly things over here, and a cat, or like a haunted house. This is super cute. I cannot wait to play with that. So stinking cute. But I'm sure that this middle piece will come out so you can layer it. But we're going to find out. So there's that die. And here is, this one is called the Halloween Elements. Let's see. Let me make sure I'm telling you right on this one. Because I don't want to tell you wrong on it. I believe this one is called the Halloween Elements die. And yeah, it is, because you've got all these different elements. You've got a skull, you've got pumpkins, bats, you've got a hat, you've got a tombstone, a broom, an owl, a cat, a candle, a bat. It says Halloween, and a little ghost. So talking about a plethora of different dies that you can use. Super, super cute. Ooh, I've done got an idea for that one. Alrighty, and this one is called the Halloween Scary Pumpkin House die. And yep, you guys guessed it, I'm Halloween crazy. My husband says I've got a problem. He says, you've got a problem. And so here is your pumpkin house, your grass, and here's a pumpkin and a candle and the door. And inside, it's got all of these different dies. You've got a spider, a bat, a ghost, looks like a little squirrely thing there, a skull, a hat, and like a little potion bottle. Look at all those dies you get with that. How stinking cute's that gonna be? Having fun. And guys, I want you to look at this cute little ghost die. Oh my word. So stinking cute. I don't know why I'm having so much problems opening bags today. It's just me. All right. So this one is called the Cute Halloween Ghost die. Look at that. And it's a good size ghost. Let's see how big this little feller is. He is 2 3/4 inches wide and 2 3/4 inches tall. Look how stinking cute. And it's like he's whistling, and he's got, looks like maybe little bats here and music notes and a pumpkin here and a candy that you can put in the little pumpkin. How stinking cute is this? Is like a sucker. Whoops, come here, little ghosty. That is adorable. Can't wait to play with that. And my last die is, this one is called the Halloween Haunted House. And see, there again, I can't get this little bag open. Look how stinking cute. You get the house. It says trick or treat. Up here you get several different dies. A door, candy, a little ghost here, a little ghost there, and I'm not sure what that little critter there is, but I'll find out. Oh, it's a little hat. Turn it over, die. You see it. And a little pumpkin and some candy there. So how stinking fun and cute are we going to... Okay, let's rewind that. How stinking cute are these, and how much fun are we going to have with all of these wonderful Halloween dies? So I would like to thank Kokorosa Studio for sending me these awesome dies, and I'm going to get started on my fun Halloween crafting. Thank you guys so very much for stopping by. I've left all the links to these wonderful dies down below, along with a discount code that you can use. So I pray that God blesses each and every one of you, and you have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.